Today we are going to start our project management class. Now the project management is for MBA in fourth sem. Now we are going to start the problem with the present value cash flow. What is the present value cash flow? The present value is actually, say if we are investing rupees 100 today, the same value decreases by every year. That is the amount that we can purchase. That is the amount that we can purchase with 100 rupees today is becomes lower the next year and becomes lower the next year and so on. Now this actually depends upon this is done by the method is actually by dividing the cash flow by the discounting. Now the discounting rate is the opportunity cost of capital. What is the opportunity cost of capital? The opportunity cost of capital is that amount that which the particular person, differs from person to person, would be able to earn had he not been investing in this particular project. Now, why if a person who is getting more returns in a separate project would invest in this project if he is not getting his correct amount of return? So, this concept of present value came into force. Now, the present value consists of two sources, that is cash in the cash flow consists of two sources, that is cash inflow and cash outflow. Now cash in outflow means that the person is investing in a project, and the cash flow or the cash inflow means that the person is getting returns on his project. Now the net present value is a sum total of the cash outflows plus the cash inflows. Now, if the NPV is positive, we have the notion that the project is acceptable. If the NPV is negative, we have the notion that the project is not acceptable. Now, we are going to do a problem, small problem, to first test this concept of NPV. Now, we calculate the present value cash flow or the inflow and the NPV. You have to calculate all. If cash outflow is rupees 25,000, now the cash outflow means initial investment is rupees 25,000, and cash inflow year 1 to year 4 is rupees 4,500, 5,800, 4,500 for the first year, rupees 5,800 for the second year, rupees 8,000 for the third year, and rupees 9,000 for the fourth year. The discount rate is 10%. Now, for the first year 1, we divide, that is year 0 here means the year in which the investment is made. So we have got year 1 as the first year that the cash inflow takes place. That is 4,500 divided by 1.1, that is rupees 4091. Now I have rounded off to the nearest decimal, and this RO means rounded off, the short form for rounded off. Now for the year 2, we have 5,800 divided by 1.1 square. That because this is the second year and the value decreases still, we get 4793 as the cash inflow for the second year in terms of this year. The year in which this year means the year in which the investment is made. Year 3 is 8,000 divided by 1.1 cube, that is 6011, or this is the RO or the rounded off value. And year 4 is 9,000 by 1.1 to the power 4, that is rupees 6147 is the rounded off value, that is 9,000 divided by 1.1 to the power 4. Now we have the total cash inflow, that is rupees 4091 plus 4793 plus 6011 plus 6147 as rupees 21,042. Now the cash outflow is rupees 25,000, and NPV is rupees 21,042 minus 25,000 is equal to minus rupees 3958. The project, however, is not acceptable because the NPV is negative, or the net cash outflow far exceeds the net cash inflow. And if we want to do profitability index statement, the value would be less than 1. The profitability index has been shown in the next problem. Now, profitability index indicates if the project is more profitable. It is a separate way of using the NP, separate way of using about evaluating a project other than the NPV. Now, other than the NPV. Now, 20 other than the NPV. Now, if the profitability index is greater than 1, we have to accept the project. But if the profitability index is equal to 1, we can accept the project or reject the project. But if the profitability index is less than 1, that means the net project cash outflows far exceed the net project cash inflows, and then we reject the project. Now, a project cost rupees, this problem statement goes like this. A project cost rupees 2000 new and now and is 2000 now and is expected to generate year-end cash flows of rupees 700 for the year 1, rupees 1000 for year 2, rupees 500 for year 3, rupees 400 and rupees 300 for year 4 and 5. We have 5 figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is year 1 to year 5. The discount rate is 10%. Calculate net present value and profitability index. Now we are introducing the profitability index. Now we have taken also the discount rate is as 10% over here. Now the discount rate will generally be provided if in case of a problem statement is given in this case. But in most cases, you must remember in practical life, the discount rate is actually the opportunity cost of capital, and the present value of cash inflow year 1 is 700 by 1.1 is equal to 636.36. I have kept the decimals. I have not rounded off to 2 places, but I have only rounded off up 2 places of decimals. Now year 2 is 1000 divided by 1.21, that 1.1 whole square, that is 826.44. Now year 3 is rupees 300, rupees 500 divided by 1.1 cube, that is 375.66, and ER 4 is rupees 400 or divided by 1.1 to the power of 4, that is 273.21, and ER 5 is rupees 300 by 1.1 to the power 5, that is 186.28. This is year 1 to year 5. Now on that is we have the NPV as minus 2000, which is the initial cash outflow, and the initial cash inflow in present value terms is 636.36 for year 1, 826.44 for year 2, 8 735.66 year 3, 273.21 year 4, and 186.28 as year 5. That is minus 2000 plus 2297.75, which gives us a net positive value of rupees 297.95. Now this NPV is positive, also we know that the project is acceptable. Now the profitability index PI is equal to the net cash outflow divided by the net cash inflow divided by the net cash outflow. The net cash inflow is 2000 plus 297.95 or 2297.95 divided by 2000. That gives us a value of 1.15. Now, as per the profitability index statement, we know that profitability index at NPV goes, we can apply side by side. If the profitability index is more than 1, if the project is acceptable. More than 1, the project is should always be accepted. However, higher the value, the better the project. Like NPV, more higher we have to accept the project with the highest NPV, and so for profitability. Some profitability index equal to 1, we can accept or reject a project. However, if the profitability index is less than 1, we always have to reject the project. Then, however, because the NPV is less than 0, and if the profitability is equal to 1, we can either accept or reject a project. Thank you. This class comes to an end now.